catching birds.
With what?
This.
A string? What are you catching them in?
A cage.
A cage? That's a little bit of redneck, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you caught any yet?
Yeah, I got one.
Really?
A robin.
A robin.
And I got to touch it.
Cool.
But you got to see this.
Cool. Let's see if we can get another one.
Okay.
Let's see how this is set up. String running up over the picnic table, into the little dog kennel. The string comes through the door. They're going in to eat dog food. Pretty cool. She's over hiding behind the boat. Behind the boat, watching underneath to catch them. There she is. Good luck.